Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Redmond seeking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetics. With a focus on energy-efficient windows and entry doors, Redmond local window services offer a range of options, including double-pane windows and vinyl windows, to ensure optimal insulation and reduced energy costs. Redmond custom windows and entry doors Redmond are tailored to fit any architectural style, providing both functionality and visual appeal. Energy-efficient windows Redmond and entry doors Redmond are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes comfortable year-round. These windows and doors are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on utility bills. Double-pane windows Redmond are particularly popular for their superior insulation properties, making them a top choice for residential window and entry door replacement Redmond. Window installation and entry doors Redmond are essential services for maintaining the longevity and performance of your home's openings. Redmond window installation specialists are skilled in addressing issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty seals. Window glass replacement Redmond and proper entry doors Redmond installation ensure that your property remains secure and energy efficient. Vinyl windows Redmond and entry doors Redmond are durable, low-maintenance options for homeowners. Known for their resistance to weathering and ease of cleaning, these solutions are practical for those seeking long-lasting upgrades. Redmond window sealing, window caulking, and entry doors Redmond weatherproofing are vital for preventing drafts and moisture infiltration, further enhancing your home's efficiency. Window frame installation Redmond and entry doors Redmond fitting are necessary for maintaining structural integrity. Over time, frames and door jambs can become warped or damaged, compromising performance. Professional window and entry doors Redmond installation services ensure your home remains secure, functional, and visually appealing. Window maintenance Redmond and entry doors Redmond services are key to extending the lifespan of your home's features. Regular inspections can prevent costly installation and replacements. Redmond window upgrade and entry doors Redmond improvements allow homeowners to modernize their properties with energy-saving technology and enhanced curb appeal. Window contractor Redmond and entry doors Redmond experts provide top-quality installation and replacement solutions. Whether you need window fitting, window glazing Redmond, or entry door refurbishment, Redmond contractors deliver exceptional results. Window design Redmond and entry doors Redmond styles cater to every taste in home design. Window hardware Redmond and entry doors Redmond accessories include locks, handles, hinges, and latches that improve functionality and security. Redmond window screens protect against insects, while entry doors Redmond upgrades add both protection and style to your home's entryway. Window tinting Redmond is an effective way to reduce glare and protect interiors from UV rays, while entry doors Redmond options enhance curb appeal and security. This combination improves home comfort and longevity, ensuring a balanced mix of beauty and practicality. Redmond Window Services and Entry Doors Redmond experts provide high-quality installation and replacement for homeowners seeking energy efficiency and reliability. With expertise in window glass replacement, frame installation, and entry doors Redmond fitting, we enhance your home's insulation and comfort throughout the year. For window maintenance Redmond and entry doors Redmond Care, our professionals deliver comprehensive solutions, including window upgrade, refurbishment, and door replacement. We cater to all window and entry doors Redmond styles, offering custom designs that enhance both performance and aesthetics. Enhance your home's security with Redmond window and entry doors Redmond solutions, including durable hardware and protective screens. Window tinting Redmond and entry doors Redmond installation add privacy, energy savings, and curb appeal. Trust our Redmond experts for all your residential improvement needs. In addition to windows, we specialize in entry door installation Redmond, providing a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Redmond custom windows and entry doors Redmond are crafted to complement one another for a cohesive, modern look. With energy-efficient windows and entry doors Redmond, you can enjoy lower energy costs and a greener home. Our Redmond window installation and entry doors Redmond services address all types of issues, from minor frame fixes to full replacements. We prioritize window sealing Redmond, window caulking Redmond, and entry doors Redmond weatherproofing to keep your home comfortable and efficient year-round. Choose Redmond window and entry doors Redmond upgrade services for a stylish, energy-efficient home. Our contractors specialize in window fitting, window glazing Redmond, and entry door installation, ensuring precision craftsmanship that enhances your property's appeal. For those seeking vinyl windows Redmond and entry doors Redmond, our durable, low-maintenance options are ideal. We also offer Redmond window screens, window hardware, and entry doors Redmond enhancements to boost functionality and protection. Our window refurbishment and entry door restoration services bring new life to your home's appearance. Whether you need window tinting Redmond or entry doors Redmond security upgrades, our team provides expert installation and maintenance for lasting results. Redmond window contractor and entry door services cover all aspects of installation, replacement, and upkeep, ensuring your home remains secure, efficient, and beautiful. Contact us today for all your window and entry doors Redmond needs.